Hey everyone, it's Marshall. So I just had some awesome lunch here in Gilbert, Arizona. I had some fantastic tacos with my good friend Jesse. Say hey, Jesse.
How you doing?
So I want to go over what's the biggest hang-up or problem people have when they get into water-based printing, and let's talk about the water-based camp that's coming up in September. So Jesse, what do you think?
Well, Marshall, the biggest holdup for a lot of people, I think, is getting started. Just like anything else, like going to the gym. Building confidence in printing water-based and understanding that at the end of the day, we're screen printers. So if you're a screen printer, you should be able to print plastisol or water-based or solvent inks. So don't let that hold you back. Like Marshall said, we got a very nice event that I'm very fortunate to be a part of. It's called the Waterbase Camp from SGIA, or Printers United, putting it together. And I'm going to be there together with a lot of industry experts. And attending this event will be current Waterbase users and new users of Waterbase. So it's going to be a really good event. I'm happy to hear that Marshall's going to be there. And you'll be seeing a personal invitation coming out soon from me.
And that's going to be in Sacramento, California. And what are the dates?
Yes, it's going to be in Sacramento, California. The dates are September 20th and 21st, and it's going to be at an actual print shop at Motion Textiles.
Yep, it's going to be awesome. Thanks, Jesse.
Thank you, Marshall, and thank you for having lunch with me today. I'm glad I was here in Arizona and was able to meet up with you. Thank you.
Yeah, so there you have it. So see you at the SGIA Water-Based Camp. And that's it from Arizona. Take care, y'all. See ya.